Number 6, the first loss is the best loss. So this rule is really trying to communicate that you need to get comfortable losing money because it's going to happen. But the interesting thing about trading is that you don't have to be profitable 100% of the time, or 100% of your trades don't have to go your way in order for you to make money and to be a profitable trader. We talked about in the last rule, don't let your biggest loser exceed your biggest winner. You don't need to be profitable 100% of the time. But I think what this rule is really communicating is getting comfortable losing money, because it's gonna happen. But if your trades 70% of the time or 75% of the time are profitable, you're still gonna lose 25 out of 100. But what happens, I think, around most people is they have a little bit of success, they start to lose, or they start to get a couple of unprofitable trades, and then all of a sudden everything unravels. They stop staying disciplined to their trading plan. They start revenge trading, or they start getting mad and kicking the cat and throwing things through the monitor. This is where you really have to learn that day trading is like any other business. There are ups and there are downs. You bid on contracts, you win some, you lose some. For me, whether a trade is profitable or unprofitable, I don't really look at it as good or bad. I don't assign value to it, because it's just a part of the game. Some trades are going to be profitable and some are going to be unprofitable. And you just learn to try to maximize your profitability and try to recognize when something is unprofitable and minimize your loss and protect your capital. So the first loss is the best loss. So I think with this rule too, a loss sometimes helps you stay humble and realize that you are not invincible, and that you really are at the whims of the market. The market is like the ocean. It is going to rage sometimes, it is calm sometimes. We can't control it or affect it, but what we can do is learn to read it and use it to our best advantage. Stay consistent every day in every trade.